up, guys? Coming at you today. Sorry about the fan noise, I'll shut it off. We got 3 Rockford HX2s here, but today's video is going to be on this Mojo 10 right here. And then I also got these Memphis. These are newer Memphis 12s. Shit, let me get you on the right side. But we're going to focus on that Memphis 10. Let me shut this fan off. So let me get it hooked up, get it bumping. This is a 10s box. This is another Memphis 10 here. I'll show it to you real quick. Nowhere near as big as the Mojo, but I think it's 400 or 500 RMS. Don't know. Let me cut you back on, and I'll show you this real quick. Alright, here's the monster. Weighs like 100 pounds. It is a dual 2 ohm, so you can wire it to 1 ohm. I'll get you this way. Sticker's a little tore up. I don't know if it's gonna focus, or it says 2 ohm.
Here it is, tore up.
Okay, I guess my phone wants to. The Note 10. Alright, let me get it hooked up. I'm just gonna do 2 ohm in that box, which is a decently ported box on probably 200 watts. So cut you back on that, and then we'll get bumping. This one's not gonna be on. It will be moving because the port, it's gonna be filling the air from this one, but we'll make a difference. Alright, stay tuned. Here's the SQ2000. If you guys never seen one, I'm gonna be doing a video on these Memphis 12s, dual voice coil. I have 5 HX2s, so here's a MTX 9512 dual voice coil, which is the good one if you've never seen. So stay tuned. I got an old school chainsaw video. I mean, this is audio related, so if you're watching this shit, you don't give a fuck about chainsaws, but this will be in one of my future videos. It's a Still 015 AB. So stay tuned, guys. I got plenty more content about to come out. Here's the original MTX box for that 9500. I know it's dark, but if you guys have any questions about any of this shit, leave them down below. I'll write back almost immediately. I appreciate you guys a lot. I want to build my subscribe count up as high as I can, and like I said, it's went up shit over 100 way quicker than it's ever have in like a week or so. And I know to some of you that ain't shit, you probably got 100 in an hour, but to me that means a lot. Stay tuned. Let's keep that sub count coming up. I'll keep entertaining you guys with cool videos. The Escalade still got 2 18s in it. My one of my father-in-law gave me this lawn boy, so that'll be another YouTube video for you you know, you motor guys out there. It runs, so I'm gonna restore it and keep it because my dad loved these things, so I'm gonna keep it in the family. So stay tuned for some more videos. Still got my tractors and whatnot. 0 turn, brush hog, bucket, blade, whatever. So please like, subscribe. Any comments, put them down below. They go to my cell phone, so I can, if you have any questions about a certain ohm load or whatever it may be, I can answer it for you, or I can find the answer and put it down there. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos, guys. Take care. Have a good one.